wetlands made history. For the first time ever, Indore and Udaipur have joined an allied global list of wetlands accredited cities under the Ramsar Convention. But what makes them so special? What's the story behind these incredible achievements? Let's uncover. Wetlands, which are nature's superheroes, they're not just water bodies, they are life-sustaining ecosystems. Defined under the Ramsar Convention, wetlands includes lakes, rivers, swamps, and equine aquifers. They can be natural or artificial and hold water that's fresh, brackish, or salty. Significantly, these ecosystems act as climate regulators, storing carbon, reducing harmful CO2 emissions, protecting us from the global warming. And now, there is something called the Ramsar Convention, which is an intergovernmental treaty signed in the year 1971 in Ramsar, Iran. Further, to encourage the protection and conservation of wetlands worldwide, World Wetlands Day is observed every year on February 2, and the theme for this year is Protecting Wetlands for Our Common Future, and calls for the action to revive these ecosystems that sustain us all. And further, in the year 1982, India joined the Ramsar Convention designating the Chilka Lake in Orissa and Keoladeo National Park in Rajasthan, and now it has one of the highest numbers of Ramsar sites in Asia. Further, the Wetland City Accreditation, which is a prestigious recognition under the Ramsar Convention, established in the year 2015 to honor cities that go to the extra mile to protect the urban wetlands. It's valid for 6 years and encourages cities to build a positive relationship with these ecosystems. India has made its mark with 2 cities, that is Indore and Udaipur, joining the allied global list of the wetland accreditation cities under the Ramsar Convention. The Wetland City Accreditation isn't just a title, it's a testament to how cities can grow sustainably while preserving the natural treasures. From regulating our climate to supporting the diverse lives, wetlands are vital for our planet's future. Let's celebrate, conserve, and restore our wetlands for a brighter tomorrow. Until next time, this is Civic Center IAS, empowering you with knowledge. Thank you.